Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin Carter. Today I will be showing you how to use Glogster. Glogster is a space to make and view multimedia interactive posters. In order for your students to be able to create, you will have to have some sort of subscription. As you can see under the label pricing, you can find all your information about pricing, subscriptions. So if you want to find out more info, just visit the pricing tab. As an educator, you will receive an educator code. That way that your students don't have to subscribe. They can just get the code, log in, and create for free. Under the Glogpedia tab, you will see you can find posters for almost all school subjects, and luckily you do not have to have a subscription to view this. Also, they have a tab for case studies, which just shows case studies on why and how Glogster is effective if you want to explore and read some studies on that. I'm just going to now log in. I do already have a subscription. As you can see, it brings me to a dashboard with previous blogs and just things that are different tabs where you can store your work. I'm now going to show you how to create a blog. As you can see, there's thousands of templates for you to be able to use. If I wanted to write one about the Olympics, I could choose here, start from here. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to make a new blog from scratch. The first thing I want to do is fill this background. So that will be under the text wall. So I'm going to go to the gallery, go down to whatever I want. I'm looking for school, and I'm just going to choose which one of my liking. Now I have a background. The next thing I want to do is add a title. So I have a text box, and you just use this text box how you would on any other Google Docs, Word document. It's very simple. I'm just going to add my text now. Once I have my text in my box, I have cool features where I can edit the text, I can create a shadow, and things of that such. Next, I want to create a text box for the 3 rules that I'm going to apply. So I have some options. I'm going to click retro and find a text box that I like and add. Now I have my text box. And the cool thing is I can just duplicate the same box so I don't have to go find it again. And now I have 3 text boxes. So I'm just going to situate them and add my text to them how I did in the first text box. Now that I have my rules all set up, let's say I want to add some multimedia things. So I can add a video. I can add a video from my webcam, upload it from my computer, YouTube, all things. But since I already have a video in my library, I'm just going to go ahead and add it. I resize it, put it to where I want, and boom, you have a video for your first rule. I can also add a shadow on that, add some decorations. For my next rule, I want to add something fun like a GIF. I am able to upload GIFs from Google, store it on my computer. You can upload it from any of these sources. So I'm going to go ahead and click the one that's in my content library. Now let's say I want to add a 3D module. I can search or upload, like I said, from these many sources to see what I want, but I'm going to choose the one that's already stored in my library. Now that I have all my rules with some type of multimedia, I just want to add some graphics to decorate. I'm going to go to the category school, and I'm going to add a couple of graphics. See, let's add this. I have now successfully created a poster with graphics, text, multimedia aspects. I can then preview my poster to see if it's up to my liking. Now that I know that everything's up to my liking, I will now be able to save and title my blog. I can now make my blog public and save it. I have now successfully completed a blog. You will be able to do things such as nominate it for the Glogpedia, share it with other people, copy your link. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope that you will explore the Glog page. Thank you for watching.